Hello everyone, my name is O. I am 10 years old. Today we are making ding dong tree, my secret and crazy recipe. The most exotic food you ever seen and tried. The ingredients that we need are broccoli, carrot, potato, capsicum, mixed vegetables. We also need milk, salt, black pepper, black soy sauce. Step 1. Cut broccoli into small flowers. Soak in salt, water, rice, and boil for 2 minutes. Step 2. Peel the potatoes after they are cooked. Add salt, light soy sauce, black pepper, and a little milk to taste. Step 3. Put the mashed potatoes in a fresh bag and mix them evenly again to form a U shape. Step 4. From bottom to top, arrange the broccoli flowers.